Hi my friend, welcome back to our reading class with Miss Anita. I am so happy to have you here today. In the next couple of lessons, we are going to learn the 4 different sounds of Y. Yes, letter Y makes 4 different sounds. In today's lesson, we are going to look at consonant Y. Why do we say consonant? Because sometimes letter Y is considered as a vowel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn when is letter Y considered as a vowel. As a consonant. Great. Alright. Every time we hear Y sound at the beginning, alright, Y at the beginning of a word, it makes the sound Y. Say Y. Y like in yellow. Y like in yogurt. So today we are focusing on letter Y at the beginning. The sound made by letter Y at the beginning of a word. Alright? Great. Can you say Y? Y. Y at the beginning makes the sound Y. Excellent. Alright. Let's have a go at spelling some words. Which word can we spell? The word is yes. Say yes. Excellent. Let's count the sounds behind the word yes. Let's go. Y, e, s. What do we hear at the beginning? Y. We know that letter Y at the beginning makes the sound Y. What's the next sound? Y, e. We hear a sound in the middle. And which sound do we hear at the end? Y, e, s. We hear s at the beginning, so we write it. Great. Which other word can we spell? The word is yellow. Say yellow. Excellent. Count the sounds with me. Y, e, l, o. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4. First sound, Y. Y at the beginning makes the sound Y. Next sound, A. Next sound, L. Ending sound, O. Let's check. Y, e, l, o. Yellow. Great. Which other word can we spell? The word is yeast. Say yeast. Excellent. Count the sounds. Y, e, st. That's a consonant blend. So how many sounds altogether? 3 sounds. Let's write the sounds. Y, e, st. Yeast. Great. Okay. I hope you get the point. Yes, yellow, yeast. Every time you see Y at the beginning, say the sound Y. Every time you are spelling a word at the beginning and you hear the sound Y, write the letter Y. Okay, this is your activity. Okay, this is your task. You are going to read for me words that have Y sound at the beginning. Remember to add sound buttons as you sound out. Like this. Y, e, s, yes. Y, e, t, yet. Y, e, l, yell. Like that. Okay? Great. After reading all these words, you have a spelling task to do. Picture 1, you are going to spell the word yolk, the egg yolk. Picture 2, you are going to spell the word yawn. I am so tired. Yawn. Picture 3, you are going to write the word yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Picture 4, you are going to write the word yam. Yam is a type of food. And picture 5, you are going to write the word yell. After that, you are going to use the words here, the word list you've just written up here, to write for me 5 great sentences. What do I mean by great sentences? sentences that include adjectives, and sentences that give more details. All right? Good. For example, yellow is my favorite color because I always get lots of compliments from people whenever I wear a yellow thing. You see, I am giving more details. Alright, pause the video and have a go at your reading and spelling task. After that, keep your workbook in a safe place because tomorrow we are going to look at another sound made by letter Y.